Alright, on today's video we're doing a high idle wiring on a 2011 Ford F350 6.7 Power Stroke. This is a very basic job to do. You're basically has to do with 4 separate wires underneath the dash, and you hook them up with a resistor, and your high idle will work. You can rig it to your auxiliary switch. So I'll show y'all how I wired this up. So come underneath the dash here. Hopefully you guys can see all right. Up here I connected on my truck, it's the green wire, it's auxiliary 2, and your upfitter switches auxiliary 2. Then I came over here. I'm not finished wiring this yet. I was just rigging it up to make sure it was all going to work like it was supposed to. I'm going to go back and do some soldered connections and whatnot. So I'm connecting the solid green wire. That's your upfitter switches. There's 4 of them. 4 of the wires that come out from the upfitter switches right here. I already have one hooked up over here to a headlight in the front. Anyways, so I took the auxiliary 2. I'll probably end up switching that to auxiliary 3 or 4 because it's a lower amperage, and I can save the green one for a higher amperage, such as lights or something like that. And then out of your bundle of wires, there's a cluster of, I don't know how many wires are here, but all these wires, what you're looking for is the yellow with a green stripe, and you're connecting that to your upfitter switch. And then you're finding your green wire, solid green, in the bunch, and your wire, I wired up a little resistor there. I don't know if y'all can see that. Try to zoom in on it here. Wired up the resistor in between the solid green wire and the white wire with the brown stripe. You want to use a 20K resistor between the 2 wires. And the kit of them, I bought it at Fry's. The kit came in, I think, 100 of these things. Of course, only needed 1, but you can see there it's the 20K ohm 1/4 watt 5% resistors. And like I said, I'm gonna go back in, finish it all up, finish wiring it up, but I'll show you what it sounds like and how it works. So it has to be in neutral. Parking brake has to be on, just enough for the brake light to be indicated there. And then look over here, I'll flip up auxiliary 2 and it'll start to. That 20K gives it about 1200 RPM or so. Sounds pretty good. I'll get you back around to the exhaust so you can hear what it sounds like. Anyway, I hope that helps out. Feel free to message me for any questions. I'll try to check it out from time to time. And you can just reach back over here, you can flip it off, flip the switch back off. Or you can take the parking brake off and it'll keep it. Hope that helps. Remember, it's green and yellow to your auxiliary power, and then it's the green to the white wire with the brown strip. And you're connecting the green to the white wire with the brown strip. You're connecting those two with the resistor between the two. And that 20K resistor will give you about 1200 RPMs. If you change the ohms, the resistor ohms, then that'll vary your RPMs to different levels.